Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video we will learn how to make a counter app, which basically means it will show you how many clicks you have clicked on a button. So let's get started by creating a file, by clicking on file, new project, to start a new project. The language I'm using here is Java, and once everything's done, let's go back to the activity main.xml. We already have a text view here, so what we can only do is just to add a button. Because we want to increase the clicks, we want to show how many clicks we have clicked on a button. Okay, my button is already constrained from the left and from the right. I'm going to constrain it on the top as well. Sorry. Good. I'm going to give it a margin tab of, you can say 130. Good. I'm going to give it a text as well. The text can be, for example, click me. Good. I'm gonna give it a unique ID like ptn click. Ptn click. That's good. Same goes for the text view. It's already constrained, so I can just change the text to clicks. Doesn't really matter right now because we will change that later on. And I'm gonna just give it an ID txt clicks. Good. And here I'm going to change the size of the text to make it bigger, like 18 sp, or let's say 24 sp. Perfect. Okay, now that's basically it for our layout. Let's go back to our Java code. First of all, in our Java code, we have two widgets. We have to initialize them. We have a button. I'm going to use the name of the variable, the same name as my widget. So it's ptn clicks is equal to find view by id r.id.ptn click. This basically means we're assigning this variable to this id, which is our widget. Same goes for the text view txt clicks, as I believe, find view by id r.id dot txt clicks. Good. Now we have to store the clicks inside a variable so we can display how many clicks we have clicked so far. Now this variable, I'm going to initialize it outside of our onCreate method. So I'm just gonna write private integer, can say clicks is equal to 0. And here we have to set in click listener, so it listens to the clicks. And based on the listener, we will increase the number of the clicks. For now, we have it 0. So let's get started. ptn clicks.set on click listener. We have to initiate on click listener. Now we have to increase the clicks per times how many times we click on the button. So the way to do that is very simple. You just have to write clicks plus plus. You can also like do clicks is equal to clicks plus 1. It's also the same, but in my case I will just keep it clicks plus plus. And now we have to display it to the to our layout. So the way to do that, we have to set the text to how many clicks we have clicked. So txt click.set text. Here you have clicked, and here we can do it integer dot to string, and here inside we can pass our clicks variable. And that should be basically it. We have created a new variable clicks. Then we have initialized our buttons. We have made set on click listener, and based on the clicks, it will increase the clicks amount. For now, it's 0. As you can see, it's initialized as 0, and then we will change the text every time to the clicks, which will be stored here. So I'm going to run the application. Hopefully, it will run fast now. And I hope this will really work. Let's see why this is highlighted. String or text cannot be translated. Okay, this basically says that this text cannot be translated. This we can get on later on other videos, how to make them, like if your device is in another language, so this text will be in a different language. But for now, let's just create it in English. So as you can see, the Gradle build running. Let's wait until it finish. Good, now it's installing. Here I have my emulator. Let's open it up and let's wait a little bit until the installation finish. Perfect. So here we have our application as we designed it. So we said as many times as we click on that button, it should show us how many times we have clicked. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's countless. As many times you click, it will show you have clicked 99 times. Doesn't really matter. So this is basically the application. We have we have designed everything, a button and a text view. Then we have coded everything. We have stored the clicks inside this variable, clicks. Then on each click on the button, it will increase the value of clicks. And then at the end, we set our text, which is that text we have assigned here, clicks, to you have clicked and how many times. So this is basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time. I hope I'll see you next time and stay positive. Cheers.